said hello and loneliness said goodbye then. It made me so glad that I almost had to cry then. I never believed in love at first sight, but when you held me tight that night, I knew with you it wasn't a lie now. Instead of my, what a sweet thing that was. Your soul was sweet, your lips were warm and tender. I wanted your kiss, I couldn't resist surrender. I could have sworn that violins played, 'cause when the rhythm swayed with you so near, I heard the sound of your sigh now. Instead of my, what a sweet thing that was. Sweet thing that was. Then when I heard you whisper the word forever, I knew that we'd live the rest of our lives together. Feeling we shared was too much to bear, and when you said you cared, I swear I felt that I was ready to die now. What a sweet thing that was.